Now this, EVA. I have a, oh, look at that. The pillow of your dreams. Dream bigger. Can't wait to see the magic you create. Infused with activated charcoal. How cool is that? So well packaged. I have a keen eye for things that are packaged really well. The pillow of your dreams. Well, Eva, I'm going to be testing this tonight and tell you how I dreamt. This could be a game changer. This could be what takes my 2020 to the next level. Ooh, it feels good. That feels good. I feel like I'm going to test it out right now. Why not? Okay, so that took a while with one hand, but it already feels so nice. Oh, that is comfortable. Very comfortable. Side profile. Oh man, it like the memory foam, but it's up just enough not to annoy you, but like enough to like get snuggly. Because I feel like with my old pillow, I'll show you the difference. I would like that would happen, and I'm like sinking down. Then I've got a lot of pillows. Then I would have this one, the Bambillo, and I'd be up here, and it's like, I don't want to be up here. I want to like be comfortable because I feel like my neck is up, craned upwards. So back to the EVA mattress. Oh, that's like a comfy in between, but it's so responsive. I feel like I could sleep on this. Combining this in the van with my EVA mattress. Comfiest mattress ever. So far, one of the comfiest pillows I've ever laid my head on. I'll give you a review after a few days of sleeping on this. Until now, next time, good night. So, night 2 with the EVA pillow. First night was really good. Had a really good sleep, woke up and I was like, you can definitely feel it when you have different pillows. I've got so many that I know when my neck's sore in the morning and which pillow I've slept on. So you'd think I would have worked it out having so many pillows, but I haven't. So this one was really good. Let's have a try night number 2 and see how I wake up in the morning. Alright, so day 3, night 3, with the pillow. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. The past 2 nights have been really, really good. Super comfy, and I've been waking up without any pain, but also this morning I slept in. So do I blame the pillow for that? No, it was super comfy. Can't wait to get through 5 days and see if it actually makes a difference. And you can definitely tell when it comes to pillows, but good smell, so comfortable, and yeah, 2 more nights of great sleep, hopefully. All right, night 4. Honestly, it's been so comfortable. I'm waking up feeling great. I'm sleeping great throughout the night, and honestly, I used to switch between so many pillows in my nights. So 4 nights and it's been great. Let's see after 5, and I'll give another little review of the things that I like about this pillow. Alright, so I have a little confession to make. This is quite some time after the last review of night 4 going into night 5. I actually lost the videos on that memory card. So for the 5th night, I don't have the review, but but even better, I have a 1-month review. So you're not just getting 5 days, you're getting probably over a month of review. So I've moved place, obviously a different location. I've got the full setup. I've got 2 EVA mattresses. I have the EVA pillows, an EVA mattress, and the EVA sheets. So I've got this whole combination of EVA, and now I feel it's an even better way to give a review 1 month on from actually receiving these things, not just 5 days. So here they are. This one's got the sheet on it. Honestly, the tensile sheets are incredible as well. But we're just talking about the mattress now. The pillow, Carlo. The pillow now. And honestly, like guys, 30 days, cannot fault these pillows. Their structure is still really good. The smell is really good, which is kind of weird, but a good smelling pillow is important. The comfortability is super just dreamy. Like, I love sleeping on these, and especially while moving and having these pillows here, you know, when my friends have stayed over, they've made comments on how comfy this pillow is. So for me, it's like I'm not waking up with pain, and I'm going to sleep. Like, I put my head on the pillow to go to sleep and I'm falling asleep. Don't get me wrong, I do have a good bedtime routine now. There's a whole lot of factors to take in, but having a comfortable pillow is definitely a standout in these past 30 days of my bedtime routine. So pros are 1, super comfy. 2, I think that's really it. Like, it's super comfy. Like, what else? What else do you need to know? That's why we get a pillow. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Downside, that I didn't have it earlier. I really cannot fault anything in it. If there was a standout, like comfortability, or it was too hot or too cold or anything like that, I would definitely say it, but there's not. It's super comfy, and I definitely recommend getting yourself a quality pillow like this, because you're gonna notice a difference in your quality of sleep and also how your head's resting at night. And sleep is super important to me. I'm all about consciousness and optimizing my health so that I can show up better in my daily life. And whether that's doing all my speaking, my mentoring, anything I do, rest is important. You know, to reduce stress, to give me more energy, but to be well rested. There's so many benefits from that. And I know Eva's starting to work on bringing out more information around sleep health. So guys, my review is I love it. Definitely check it out. The links will be in the show notes below. If you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, because I'll be releasing more videos like this on reviews of conscious optimizing products in your lifestyle, but also inspiration, tips, and anything else consciousness, because that's me, Conscious Carlo. See you soon.